what's up everyone? Welcome back to GIO'S Wave and welcome to the beginning of fall. Literally my favorite holiday. The layers get to come back, the sweaters get to come back, the updos get to come back, y'all's pumpkin spice lattes get to come back. Not even gonna hold though. Those are fire. Those are really fire actually. But no, this is literally my favorite season. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. Today I'm bringing you my favorite fall bun. You're gonna see me wearing this bun a lot during fall, possibly in all my pictures, a lot of my stories, just because it's super easy to do. I can refresh the bun. It's literally my favorite bun during this season, to be honest. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing what I call the spider bun, and I like to think of it as a messy bun done intentionally. Because though it looks a little messy, but it's not. It's like a neat, messy bun. There's an oxymoron for you all. No, but it's super, I don't even know how to explain. I just have to go through the process and show you exactly how I do the bun. And while I walk you through this tutorial, I'm also gonna be telling you my experience of being a first-time groomsman. Literally, I was at a wedding 4 days ago, and yeah, I didn't get that many pictures. That tells you how that wedding went. For the better, for the better. Just, yeah, we're gonna get into it. Here we go. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh my hair. This is still hair that I did at the wedding, so the wedding was about 4 days ago at this point, so my hair is a little dull right now. It's a little flat, and I want my bun to be bigger, so I'm gonna have to refresh so I can add a little bit more volume to my hair, thus add more volume to the bun. The refresh is super simple. Obviously, you all see me refresh my hair a lot, but today's refresh is going to be even more simpler because there's already a lot of definition. And another reason why I'm refreshing my hair, just so I can have the definition as well along with the volume, so the bun doesn't just look like a big puff ball of frizz. I want the curls and the curl pattern to show through the bun as well. So the products I'm going to be using, you all probably already guessed, I'm going to be using Aussie's Miracle Curls, leave-in Detangler Milk, as well as the Frizz Taming Cream from the Miracle Curls line. You all know I love Aussie. This stuff right here, literally, I like to use it in the shower when my hair is soaking wet because it just gets rid of all the knots. The slip is amazing. And right now, I just need I need a product that's a little bit more thinner. That's why I'm going to be using this, because this is a little thinner product. Again, because right now my hair kind of already has a lot of definition, so I don't need like super heavy products to weigh my hair down even more. I'm going to be combining these two products just to refresh my hair. And of course, you know, we have the water as well. Now, on to the story time, right? So this is my first wedding I've ever been in, right? I've never been in a wedding before. I always attend weddings, and I love attending weddings. One, because a lot of times they have open bars, which, you know, how can you beat an open bar? Come on, it's an open bar. Secondly, it's just fun. It's free food. A lot of stuff is just free. You get to go home with stuff. You get to meet new people. You get to meet another part of someone else's family as well. So weddings are all fun. And this time I was actually gonna be in the wedding because it's my dad. It's my dad's sister, so my aunt. I was never supposed to be in the wedding, right? That's the funny part about this whole thing. I was never supposed to be in the wedding. What happened was, due to COVID, my dad and my older brother couldn't show up because of COVID. I got added a week before the wedding, right? Here we go. We're gonna be using the Miracle Curls, leave-in Detangler Milk. So they're like, can you go ahead and send your measurements, right? I'm like, yeah, sure. So I send my measurements, and literally next day they're like, okay, you can come pick up your suit, right? So I come pick up my suit. Everything is moving super quick, super quick. I go get the suit, right? I immediately try the suit on. Yo, I look like SpongeBob. The suit fit on me like a box. Like I was like literally like stuck like this, and I was like, is this not supposed to fit? I thought I sent you guys my measurements and whatnot, and me not knowing that you're supposed to go get these things tailored, right? I immediately go get a tailor, right? Now the suit was free, so I go to the tailor, guys. So I put on the suit for the tailor, and then he's like, well, how do I want it? I was like, bro, you're peeing the heck out of this suit, right? He was like, okay, it's gonna be ready in a week. I was like, bro, I need this tomorrow. So he was like, I can get it to you in 2 days, right? He gets it to me in 2 days, right? I come back for the suit 2 days later. Guys, the suit costs $250. I basically bought a whole new suit. This is why I like attending weddings. But then I put it on. The suit's kind of fire. Now, then it came to the wedding rehearsal, guys. Now I'm gonna go on with the Frizz Taming Cream. So then it came for the wedding rehearsal, right? They're like, only 50 people are allowed in the church. The church held 1,000 people. I was confused. I was like, what are you talking about? We can 6 feet apart. On top of that, guys, they're like, unfortunately, due to you know, the COVID, the only people allowed to walk was the bride and groom, the best man and bridesmaid, the flower girl, and the ring bearer. Everybody else had to stay seated. In my mind, I'm like, dang, I just got a $250 suit for 50 people and no one gonna see me walk. But then again, this is my first wedding, so I forgot that you walk in on the reception as well. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I have to do something dope for the reception area. Because you know, when we walk out, you know, I mean, you can't just walk in. You gotta do something. 2 days later was the wedding. Here we are, wedding. Day of the wedding. I wake up at 9 o'clock. I wake up at 8 o'clock to start getting ready, right? We had to be at the church by 2. Before I keep going, we're still having a reception. The reception actually can hold about 100 to 200 people. I think we actually hit the max, about 200 people. The entire party stayed at the hotel where the reception was going to be held. We were supposed to be ready by 12. It's 12 o'clock. Neither of us is ready. So literally, we get left. We end up making it to the church. And we end up taking pictures, everything was great, right? Wedding happens, bridegroom kiss, boom, we're done, right? So before I keep going, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. You guys don't need to see that part, because I can't talk to you anyway. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair off camera, and I'll be right back as soon as I'm done. Yeah. Alright, so my hair is officially refreshed and now dry. God, Aussie products are so good. Like, look at the definition. I'm honestly, like, regretting doing this bun right now, because the definition looks great. But it's already 4-day hair and I'm gonna have to wash it anyways. So why not do something different with it anyway? You guys are gonna get a little cringe what I'm about to do right now, because I'm about to re-wet it, because I'm actually gonna put my hair up. This stuff right here, the cream pudding, has a ton of hold. If you've seen recently in one of my other videos that I actually use this to slick my hair back, because it has a lot of hold, which is great. So we're gonna be using this product, but before I use this product, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the curl defining oil just to add some extra hydration in my hair, as my hair is gonna be up. And I'm probably gonna be wearing this bun for the next 2 days. So we're gonna quickly just use this. Obviously this one is actually almost gone. So what I like to do with this product, I like to use 2 pumps, as I have a lot of hair. That might seem like a lot to you guys, but I'm gonna flip my hair forward and just quickly scrunch my hair up, apply that product everywhere I can, breaking any cast that may be there. All right, here we go. All right, so back to the story. We're at the reception now, right? Now, I'm just gonna wet my hair all around, because I'm gonna have to brush my hair, slick it up, use the products I'm gonna use. I have a surprise product for you guys as well. I've been waiting to use this product for you guys, because I absolutely love it. But the only thing is, it's like it flies off the shelf. So if you ever can get it, get your hands on it, because it's absolutely amazing. Actually, I'm just gonna explain to you guys right now. It's the Gloss Over Glossing Cream. It's absolutely amazing. If you want a polished look, this is the stuff right here, and that's why I'm using it for this look right now. It adds so much shine, makes your hair super smooth. It's just an amazing product. You guys gotta get your hands on it. Where were we? We're at the reception. Usually the wedding party don't get to attend the cocktail hour, because they're outside usually taking pictures, right? Not this time. Everything was super quick due to like the COVID stuff. They just wanted to make everything super quick, and I was fine with it because I got to make happy hour. Now, again, it was open bar. So, open bar closes. Right. I'm a little distraught at this point because the open bar closed. It was only for an hour, so I couldn't be super sad about it, but it closed on me. I only got to enjoy it for about a good hour. Don't forget, I have a room key. I go upstairs. The tablecloths looked really long. I couldn't see my feet. You know what that means? You can hide things under the table. I went back upstairs. I grabbed a couple things, came back down, put what I needed under the table. Again, I've been to many weddings, and I like to go because I like to have fun. That's the point of a wedding, to have fun, to celebrate the newlyweds and enjoy their company, their families, and all that. So that's what I did. We're gonna go ahead and use the cream pudding to slick the hair up. So yeah, go down to the bar, grab another drink, guys. And again, all my siblings aren't there. I grab a drink from down at the bar. And this is where the story goes really left. It was time for, I don't know what they call it. It's when the groom and the bridesmaids, the groom takes the little thing off the leg, and those are the groomsmen, right? This is how I know I was reaching the point. A lot of people are already married at the wedding, but there's a lot of single people as well. But it was time for that to be thrown. I didn't see a lot of gentlemen decide to stand up and go grab. So what do? I grab the mic, guys. Grab the mic. That's because what else are you gonna do? Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a glossing cream to slick everything else up as well. So again, I grabbed the mic, guys. And I literally say on the mic, if you're not married, you're single. To everybody. All my grandparents, all the elders there, everybody there. So yeah, that was interesting. Some more gentlemen end up coming up, tosses it, I don't catch it. Thank God, I don't catch it. So then the night keeps going on, right? It goes into a point where the music starts going and everyone starts dancing now. I decide, hey Gio, let's go on live. And let's put the phone down and put it on the dance floor. Time for everybody to dance. When we go through all the line dances, but then they start playing regular music. Alright guys, now that we have this secured up here, we're gonna go ahead and actually, here's the interesting part that you guys will probably find odd. So what I do is, for the spider bun, I need my ends to be out, but I want them completely soaking wet. And it's literally just the ends. I need the ends to be soaking wet because I'm only gonna wrap my hair one time. Brush this through. I'm just gonna apply some of the pudding right now on the ends of this. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it loosely, guys, loosely. Wrap it all around, like so, and then boom, right? All the wet's gonna stay out. Alright, boom, right? So you see how it all like ends up going back in anyway? So because it's wet, we can actually just pull it and we can just work with this, right? Here we go, guys. This is the part when we like kind of just fix it up. You're gonna need some hairpins because that's what I use. All this can just come to the front right now because I'm not gonna be focused on this just yet. Now it's just perfecting the bun. And what we're gonna do is to secure the bun and how we actually want it to be secured, we're gonna go ahead and just pull, make it bigger if we want to, like so, and bow, right? So we just pull. It's pretty much secure at this point. Now we can just focus on this part. This is the part that's important, right? So this is where we're gonna be taking the Glossier cream and we're basically gonna separate this part. All right, so the wedding. This is the time where, like I said, everyone's dancing right now, and I decide to go on live, guys. You know, I think nothing of it, right? Think nothing of it. I just decide to go on live, and I put the phone down in front of the bride and groom, like on the floor area, just so they can see the whole dance floor because the bride and groom looks over the dance floor. Again, everyone at this point is pretty much floored, right? And we're all dancing and whatnot. Everyone sees that I'm on live now. They all know what I do for a living. They all walked into my phone, you know, did a little dancing thing. It was really cool. Yeah. Things just got so hectic. Like, aunties and uncles started like twerking in front of the camera. I never checked any of the chat. and what was going on. And let's just say I just got a whole bunch of DMs like, do you know what they were doing in front of your cam? And I was like, no, I don't know, right? I get a text from my aunt. I was like, yeah, Gio's gonna hate this tomorrow. Apparently, cousins was out there not only twerking, they was doing splits. They were out there just going crazy, jumping on backs. I was like, okay. Where was I at? Whole time I didn't even realize I'm in the back looking under the table for the bar. I was under the table looking for the bar. I was like, where is it? Where is it? Whole time I was under the wrong table. That's how lit the wedding was. But nonetheless, the wedding was absolutely fun. Congratulations to my aunt and now uncle. Now that that's all here, we'll grab a little bit more of this. I'm gonna scrunch it up just so the curls can form a little bit more easier. Alright guys, so now that we have all the product and we separated all the pieces that we want, there's no need for it to like dry with a blow dryer. It's gonna dry on its own, especially because it's only such little hair. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and wrap it around the bun. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wrap them all around. And that's literally all there is to it, guys. See, it looks neat and messy at the same time. Let me quickly get changed and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm now changed. I had to swap to the sweater because you know it's only right for the fall and for the concept of this video. And also I'm about to go out anyways. But no, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Sorry, the little wedding story was all over the place. But no, this is the look. This is what I like to call, again, the spider bun. It's a messy bun that's done intentionally. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Again, I use all Aussie products. Just to run back what I use. Again, I use the Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangler Milk. I also use the Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Creme. And I used those two just to refresh my hair. Then I went in with the cream pudding as well as the glossing cream to polish the bun, and as well as to slick down the individual curls that you see are currently out. If you want to grab any of those products, they're all going to be linked in the description below. Again, I wanted to mention that the gloss cream gets sold out super fast, so get your hands on it while you can. Please give this video a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Next, follow me on all my social media. That's Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and now TikTok, all Gio Filipino here. Also in the description below. So yeah, stay wavy, and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah.